Gently push back the proximal nail fold. Remove tissue and debris from the nail plate. Shape the free edge using the 180 grit emerald file. Lightly etch and remove the shine from the nail plate using the 180 grit emerald file. Remove the filing dust using a clean, dry nail wipe. Apply Dehydrate to the natural nail to cleanse, remove moisture, and balance the pH of the nail plate. Wipe the brush on the neck of the bottle to remove excess Powerbond. Sparingly apply 1 coat of Powerbond to the entire natural nail surface and allow to dry. Proceed with enhancement application. Remove the form from the paper backing. Place the center of the form on the back side of the form for reinforcement if desired. Gently hold the form with your index fingers and thumbs and roll the form to create a C-curve. Apply the form to the finger, ensuring there are no gaps between the form and the natural nail. Make a 45-degree cut on both sides of the form at the meeting point of the form and the nail grooves. Match and stick the tabs together to ensure an even C-curve. Using clear builder gel, build out the extension edge of the nail. This should be a thin layer. Flash cure. Using the IBD gel brush, scoop a small ball of your choice of pink builder gel onto your IBD gel brush. Place this ball in the arch area of the nail by rolling the gel off your brush toward the smile line. Feather the product toward the cuticle area, keeping the product thin. Leave the bulk of the product at the smile line. Wipe the brush with a clean nail wipe and perfect a reverse smile line. String white gel in a random pattern over the free edge. Flash cure in between strings so they don't blend together. Fill in a few of the sections using the white gel for more of a geometric pattern. Using IBD clear builder gel, apply 1 coat, polish-like, to the entire nail surface from cuticle area to free edge. Scoop a medium-sized ball of clear builder gel with your IBD gel brush. Place the ball at the arch location and roll off the brush, pulling towards the free edge. Gently feather towards the cuticle area, sidewalls, and free edge. Flash cure and mold the C-curve. Cure for the required time for type of gel and lamp being used. Remove the inhibition layer using an IBD nail wipe lightly saturated with Cleanser Plus or LED Shine Enhancer. Finish file and shape the nails. Finish with your choice of finishing application appropriate to hard gel. Moisturize by massaging lavender cuticle oil into the skin surrounding the nail.